Marcia.
And I am CrystalShae.
And we are a mother-daughter duo who decided to come to Arkana. I'll start with my experience. I came because of my mother, which surprised a lot of people because they expected it to be the other way around because I'm younger. But she brought me, and I was actually very hesitant to come because I had things going on at home that I didn't want to leave. And
Things, her son.
my son, I didn't want to leave my baby, okay? I didn't want to leave my child. So she convinced me that it made sense to be here. He was in good hands, which I know 1,000% he was. And so I said, don't make excuses for your own health and wellness. Don't make excuses for your growth, not a damn another day. So I chose to come. And the experience was unlike anything I've ever had before. I've never had any type of trips. So my first trip was very scary, very intimidating, very, I don't want to be here anymore. But after that, the facilitators just helped make that experience so not as treacherous as I felt like it was. And after that, I just understood what I'm really here for. I understood my message of love. It's like I came here to find love within myself, and I found it. I found it. Never would I have thought I'd find it in the middle of the jungle. Like, you can't find us on Google Maps. I don't know where I am. I couldn't go home and be like, yeah, I have no clue. But I found love, and I'm so grateful for that because I'm able to take that to my son. I'm able to take that to even his father. I'm able to take that to friends. I'm able to take it to family. And I'm so grateful to have shared this experience with my mom because when I talk about it, I want someone to understand. Like, I know they say integration, don't talk to other people, but I'm glad my people is who I can talk to. So it's been absolutely amazing. My advice to anybody who wanted to try ayahuasca is to make sure it's right for you. I've heard about this about 2-3 years ago. She's done it years before, and I'm like, it's not time for me because the devil gonna beat my ass because I'm not ready. Egotistically, I'm not ready. Mentally, I'm not ready. So just make sure that you know you're ready. Don't feel forced to do it. Feel energetically inclined to do it. And when you feel that, God will make sure that you get whatever message you need to get. And so this has been an absolutely amazing experience. My life is forever changed, and I will be back. I will be back. Maybe not for ayahuasca every single day. Because, you know what I'm saying? But for the energy alone, I'll be back. For the boof little frog, I'll be back. For everything, I'll be back. I'll tell a friend within reason when they're ready to hear it. So, yeah. Mom.
I don't think it's hard. That's a hard act to follow, right? But I can say that my journey started 18 years ago with this self-awareness thing. Probably even sooner than that, back in my 20s when I realized that I was bound to some generational curses and things that I no longer wanted to be a part of. But for the past almost 3 months now, I have been working on my spirit me. I wanted my life to be real to me and for me. I didn't want to just keep dishing out love and dishing out healing for others and dishing out patience and dishing out myself, believing that I was giving from an overflow when actually I was drowning, and realized that I was drowning and that I was on the brink of a mental breakdown. I was on the brink of literally losing my mind and wanted to find it. And wanted to find myself without giving so much. I've been a mom since I was 19, and that's been for 30 plus years now. And I just was giving to the point of I was blocking my own blessing. I was blocking my ability to be financially abundant. I was blocking my ability to know that I was truly being successful, and I didn't want any more blocks. So we got on a plane and got on a bus and got on a boat and headed to Arkana. And we got here, first of all, the reception, oh my God, makes you feel like if you are local or you're a movie watcher, you ever seen Coming to America, it felt like we were royalty being received amongst the villagers. And that was in itself amazing. But the medicine itself, what advice could I give to someone who is looking to do ayahuasca? First of all, I would say research where you're going, research their ethical standards, research what it is that they stand for and they represent. And Arkana checks all boxes of that. with the toad, just with the way that they do things, with their facilitators who are here to walk you through every stage and phase of your journey. In the beginning, you are nervous, you have an expectation, you know that you're going to, from what you've heard, ayahuasca is about to kick your ass, it's about to be really rough, and it is, most times, the first time. But the second time, and then the third time, and if you choose a fourth time, because you get to choose. And the medicine works with Icaros, whether you take the medicine or not, because the energy is here, the love is here. And when you get done, if you're looking to understand love from the purest of spaces in the best of ways, not just for you, but for those around you, for those who have hurt you, for the healing that you need, for the suffering that you feel like you've endured, come. You will not regret it. The shamans, the facilitators, and the medicine will take very good care of you.
Very good care of you. Listen, I came ready to receive. I received. My heart is open. It was closed. Life is good. We're great.
I done swapped. And just so y'all know, my intention was swap. Success, wealth, abundance, and prosperity.
Ooh,
so I done came to Arkana and swapped. Baby.
Swap.
We
Period.
swapped.
We swapped. Period.
Peace.
From Atlanta, Georgia. Period.